Our family is all gone, so we're gonna try to eat a Nature Valley bar on their bed and see who could spill less. Rock, paper, scissors for mom's bed.
The rules were simple. You had to leave the crumbs that you make, and whoever got yelled at first loses.
I am on my sister's bed. I'm gonna get all the crumbs to the bottom. I'm sorry, Mom, in advance.
I know Nick's gonna rush through it. My strategy is to go a lot slower.
Oh, why did it open so fast?
When it came down to the final stretch, let's just say things got a little messy.
Forgot how good these are. But no!
Here's the aftermath. I guarantee Nick's is worse.
Oh, Mom and Dad got a big surprise coming tonight.
What was that, Mom?
Why are there crumbs on my bed? Who is eating all over?
You know what that means.